In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view attachments in Outlook. 5 minutes. Whether you're using Outlook on the web or the desktop app, the process is simple and consistent. We'll start by opening Outlook, move into the mail view, head to your inbox, open the message you need, and then click the attached file to view it. I'll point out a few helpful cues along the way so you always know where to look. Begin by going to Outlook. If you're in a browser, open the Outlook website and sign in if prompted. On a work or school account, you might see your organization's sign-in page. Just complete that as you normally do. If you're using the desktop app, launch it and you'll see a very similar layout, so the next steps will feel familiar. Next, switch to Mail. In the web version, check the left sidebar and select Mail if you're currently in Calendar, People, or any other module. In the desktop app, the Mail icon or label appears in the navigation pane on the left. If your window is narrow and the text labels are hidden, hover over the icons to reveal them or drag the pane a little wider. Now, open your inbox. This is where most new messages land by default. If you use Focused Inbox, glance at both the Focused and Other tabs so you don't miss anything. Messages with attachments are easy to spot in the list thanks to the small paperclip icon next to the subject or sender. Some messages may even show a tiny preview of images or documents, which is a quick visual hint. Open the email containing the file you want to see. In the web app, a single click shows the message in the reading pane. In the desktop app, you can single click to preview or double click to open it in a separate window. Give the message a moment to load fully, especially if it includes several attachments or embedded images. Finally, click the attached file itself. You'll usually find attachments displayed beneath the sender and subject line as tiles or as a list with file names and icons. Selecting an attachment opens a built-in preview for common formats like PDFs, images, and Microsoft Office documents. Depending on the file type and your settings, Outlook may let you view it online, suggest opening it in a desktop app, or note that the file will download first. Large or cloud-stored files may take a few seconds to appear. That's all it takes. Go to Outlook, switch to Mail, open your inbox, select the email, and click the attachment. As a best practice, only open files from trusted senders, and if something feels off, verify with the sender before proceeding.